Hey there, Fight here with a quick demo of Social Store app, or more specifically, showing you how incredibly easy it is to install this thing and have your own social store in Facebook in about 3 minutes. Okay, so what is Social Store app? It's basically a web-based application where you can very quickly put together, using templates and then filling in with super easy to search information, a store that pretty much is about anything on Amazon. So if you're an Amazon merchant doing FBA, fulfillment by Amazon, terrific, you can sell your own stuff directly through Facebook, but also as an associate. Now, why is that so exciting? And especially right now, because we've got things like Cyber Monday, we've got Black Friday, we've got Christmas coming up. But think beyond the traditional sales things. I mean, these are responsible for a huge chunk of the yearly or annual sales. But think beyond that. If you've got a page in the weight loss market, in the wedding market, in the baby market, in the cute puppy market or something like that, there are always big events where people go and buy stuff. So this is absolutely perfect because it's so easy to put something together in 3 minutes. I'll show you in a demo in a second, and then either test the market or basically build out a page and really monetize it using your social store. So if you are as excited as I am, there's a link down below, and I'm also giving you a bonus. Okay, the bonus is I'm going to do a live look over my shoulder case study where I'm actually going to use this on a brand new page, drive traffic to it, and show you exactly what we're doing to build this up and make sales on Amazon, especially with, I'm not quite sure whether we're going to go for Cyber Monday or maybe bigger picture Christmas, but it's going to be totally relevant for you making lots of money at the end of this year. So if you're interested, go click down below. Otherwise, hang on. What I'm going to do now in the next 3.5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to set up such a store literally with a few clicks of the mouse. So here we have got my, I hope you know it, online rule, my sort of Facebook page, which is all about online marketing. And as you can see, here's the traditional sort of tabs up here, and there are no apps down here. So okay, what we want to do now is basically create an entry here, which is all about recommended business books. Okay, that's the thing I want to sell here because it's totally relevant. There are certain business books absolutely everyone should be reading who's into online marketing. And then bigger picture, when you get into Social Store app, you will get training on how to promote that, because in addition to this thing up here, it's of course also an app down here, and in Facebook you can drive paid traffic to apps. So let's go and do it. What we're going to do is basically go to software. Hang on. I should have one of those cool timers here, right? Oh no, delete this. So this is one I set up as a test, okay? But I'm going to delete this so you can see the whole process beginning to end and see how fast it is. So I'm 3 minutes into the video now, 3:05. So let's start at 3:06. Create store, and you can select a template. I'm just going to, for brevity's sake, going to go for this here very quickly. And I am an associate, not an FBA seller. So here's my store. I'm going to pause the video now because I need to enter my Amazon secret key. But shop name is recommended business books. All right. So pause, and then all I need to do is basically click the save button down here, and I'll see you on the next screen in 1 second. So once you press saved, welcome back. You are presented with this, and this is basically where you start searching for your products. So I want to have Cialdini. Everyone must have Cialdini in their library. So there we go, add to store, and now it's added. Okay, now Richard Koch. Everyone must have Richard Koch. If you don't have Richard Koch's book, and I'm not talking about the 80-20 principle, which is awesome, but you really want the STAR principle. Seriously, it is an awesome book. It'll change your entire perspective of how to do online marketing. Another one, absolutely must have, Pitch Anything. Okay, if you've lived without Pitch Anything, you haven't lived. This book is a lot of work because you need to go through it a couple of times. First reading is like, whoa, I can't possibly do it. But once you've gone through it a few times, it'll definitely sink in. So that's it. I save my store. My products are saved, and I now go and view my store. There it is, and all I need to do now is add tab to found page, and I'm choosing a good old online rule, add tab to add page tab. It is now in, so let's do a refresh on here, right? refresh, and we are 2 minutes. This is less. There was less than 2 minutes to add 3 products. Okay, to create the store and add 3 products. I'm going to add a few more, and there we go. Now I need to rearrange this. There's the store. By default, it's called store. Manage tabs, and I am going to move this up. Okay, and save. So reloading, and there's my store. So now I can go and name that if you like. So I'm gonna go and call this, whatever, recommended business books. Save. Actually, I could have done that in one go, couldn't I? All right, there we go. So recommended business books, and there's the app down here, and this is where you drive traffic to the recommended business books app. Okay. So now I click on here. Now the one thing I didn't enter to make it work in 2 minutes, now with 3 minutes, is you can upload a logo here and one at the bottom, powered by, and then you put another logo down here, and there you are, the 3 books. Okay, so when you click on here, Star Principle, there it is. Reviews, I don't know where it is. It has 12 reviews. It truly is brilliant. Go get this. And then when you buy or click on buy, you end up on Amazon. There you go. Perfect. Let me move that over. You've got it. So that's basically it. You saw how incredibly quick that was. So super highly recommended. If you get it now, you get it at a lifetime license, for one price. I don't know what it is, $27 or so, as opposed to monthly payments. So if you're interested in Facebook at all, go get this now. It's terrific, a terrific piece of kit, and you're getting great training with it, how to drive traffic to all this kind of stuff. Plus you're getting my bonus, which is the look over my shoulder case study as I'm doing this live. Alrighty, link is down below, and by the way, the bonus is delivered inside the JVZoo portal. At the bottom of the page it'll say, Fight Social Store App bonus. Alrighty, cheers, bye.